Prior to our discussion, I was thinking about it because a lot of startups that contact me, they just don't do market research. They just believe in their idea and they just want to try.
Yeah.
And I've kind of given up trying to convince them
Otherwise,
to do market research. So in retrospect, I think if you're going big, like if you're starting a business where you're going to invest $1 million, then yes, you should allocate some money to do both passive and active market research the proper way. But if you're starting off with a low budget, like $10,000, and you just got an idea and you're going to start with a pop-up shop and build one customer at a time, okay, maybe there's an argument to say you don't need to do market research. Hello, Vietnamese manufacturing fans. In this video, I'm talking with Stuart, who started 2 brands in Vietnam. And we're talking about how he did market research to get his brands up and running in Vietnam. And just kind of gamble a bit. And in the first 6 months of trying the business out, you're like doing market research in real time.
Yes,
and after 6 months, you'll know if there's a market for it or not.
Yeah. You quickly understand that. So yeah, I think that's the difference. It depends on your investment.
Yeah.
It really does. And you're right, getting excited about it is good and not so good in both ways. Because you can get excited about it and then you can get confident, and you need confidence to maybe sell your product or your brand or your service. At the same time, you do get overconfident that it won't fail. I don't need to look at this. I don't need to worry about that. And then you realize that actually you do need to, because you're in a bit of a dream world rather than reality. Yeah, but that's the beauty of being an entrepreneur, and you have no fear and you just push forward, and you might be one of the lucky few that hit a home run on the first time up to bat. Yeah. If not, you fail, but you get experience and you just pick up and try again. Yeah.